Hello everyone. It's Grace here, aka Kilimanjaro Flavor. I hope everyone is staying safe out there on this crazy pandemic. It's really crazy, so do the best to be safe, okay? Today I am here because some of you remember 2 years ago I was planning to do some recipe videos and put them on YouTube, but then the truck came up and I got cut into the truck schedule. I wasn't able to do anything, so I'm here today because I was able to dig into my old videos and try to edit. Although I really suck at editing, I will try the best to explain to you step by step how to make these bites, East African bites, by using chickpea flour that you see over there, and all those ingredients that I've already prepared. Okay, so as you can see, we are using chickpea flour. Other name is gram flour. You can find these at the Asian store or Indian store mostly, or Amazon. You can just pop up, type the name and then it will pop up. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is I have already put 3 cups of chickpea flour into the steel bowl right there. As you can see, the video may not may not be showing well, so I have 3 cups in there. I have a half bunch of green onions, and I also added a little bit of cilantro in it, like 3 branches of cilantro into the green onions. I have green Chil pepper over there. If you don't have green Chil pepper, that's fine. You can just use crushed pepper or Chil powder and put any amount you prefer, okay? I also have a half cup of diced red onions. I have half teaspoon of fast rising yeast, which I like it. It doesn't take so long. I also have seasoned salt. If you don't have a seasoned salt or you are vegan and you're concerned about ingredients into the seasoned salt, you can always use regular salt. You don't need to worry about it. I also have right here, I have a half teaspoon, not tablespoon. All these ingredients, these small ones here, they are all teaspoon. Half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of fast rising yeast, and half teaspoon of mixed seasoned salt. Next thing is putting everything together into the bowl right there. You can see when I like simple, I don't like to complicate it. I don't like to do all these crazy measurements and everything. I measure most of the time, so I like to make things simple. And for everyone else who will be watching out there, you can see I'm dumping everything in there. I don't need to put it one after one and mix and add another one and mix. No, I just put everything together and everything works perfect. And I think that will be simple for you as well, not complicated, so dump everything in there. And then I started by putting 2 cups of water and then start mixing up. And then I add the 3rd cup and continue to mix. And you can see if you don't have electrical mix, you can just always wash your hands. Make sure your nails are short and mix with your hands until you get that consistency that you see over here. You don't want it too loose or too thick. If it's too thick, your bajia will not cook inside the way it's supposed to. And you don't want it too loose as well. This is what we are looking for. All right. And over here, you can also taste the salt, pepper if you prefer it too hot or spicy, and add whatever you want to add. And then next thing, you cover. After you finish with that, you just cover up and let it settle for half hour. And then after your mix is ready, the next thing is heat it up oil into medium heat. You don't want the oil to be too hot because your bajia will not get cooked inside the way it's supposed to. It will just get cooked from outside. Then next thing is putting your bajia into the oil. Just wash your hands. As I say, make sure your nails are not too long. And then just start picking up with your hands. And then put in the oil. You can see the oil is not too hot. It's medium. And they are cooking perfectly. So this bajia, anyone can enjoy. Vegans can also enjoy this. They may love it because it's all made out of beans. The chickpea beans honestly rich in protein, and there is no animal product in it. You saw everything that we put it in there, so you can enjoy them with soft drinks, tea, mostly coffee. People use them for breakfast back home, or even in tea, or whatever. Anytime you can just enjoy them, whenever you want. All right. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me below on my channel. There is a comment section, so you can ask any question you would like to ask there. You can also go on Instagram, because I'm gonna put a clip on it, and then ask me any question. I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Please don't forget to subscribe, and enjoy. I hope you like it. Thank you.